They call him Jesus. He came to love, heal, and forgive. He lived and died to buy my pardon. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is.
Alrighty, I got these two done. I need to go and get me a couple of shoestrings for this one so I can get it done. I got my button on it. Let me get rid of this. I don't need this right now. And I'm going to try to stuff it. Now, we want to make sure we get this right up in here really good. So, I'm going to take and put that up in there. Grab this. Start pushing right in my little holes right here. Get it down in there. Because we want those stuck really good. Put some more down in there. For some reason it don't want to go down on that last one. I want that stuffed good. We gotta go and get the shoestrings. Yes. Alright, now let's shove and shove. I hope it turns out pretty good. And I'm gonna shove some more if I can. Shove all that I can down in there. I think that'll work. Alright, now I need get it over here. Grab everything. Shove this down in here. Now, I think what I ought to do is go ahead and take and sew a seam all the way around it and pull it tight. And then we'll put this right here in it. So let me go get that done and get Rick to help me. Alright, let me show you the way I'm doing this. If I get the cat out of the way. I'm taking and sewing it down. I gotta go change my thread. This is not thick enough. Alright, let's try this again. So I got thicker thread this time. I'll get rid of this. Alright, now I'm going to take it in here. Let's take it down here. Hold it in there. Let's go right here. Across it. Go down. Down. Like that right there. And now we can tie it off right here. Try to get it over here. Get a hold of it. Maybe. Just underneath that one thread. There we go. Alright, now. Let's go right here. Back down here. So can't get underneath all these. Here, yeah. I think this right here will work just fine. Down. Alright. Pull it tight. Now let's There we go. Let's see if we can't do it again. Put another hole in there. Alright. Now, see here. I got that right there sticking up. I want to get rid of that. There we go. Now we got to get this in here. Should not be that hard. Let's see, I've got the wrong side. Dadgummit. And I pulled that one loose. Dadgummit. Shows how much I know, Sandy. I know it. Let's see if we can't just stick it down in here. There we go. And we'll slide it that way. Now, where is my bottom? Here is my bottom to put on it. And when we sew it down, we're going to put some glue in it first. So we'll have glue on it. Because I don't want to do my glue right now, because I don't have them all ready to do. But I do have this one ready. So we can call that right there quits for right now. Alright, let's see what I can do. That ain't going to hold it. I want to find a way to hold it. Alright. That ain't going to work. Alright, that one's ready to glue. Now, let's check on these. Nope, they ain't ready yet either. Now I got this one, and I need to go and get a shoestring. So we'll have it done. Alright, so we'll be back in a little bit so I can work on that one. And we can get it done. Alright, we went to the store and got shoestrings. Yes. Alright, now, if you noticed, I tied this and I sewed it all the way around. Now we gotta turn it around. Yes. I'm gonna have to do this the better way. Gosh, this isn't easy. Come on now. Got the other one pretty easy. I done it in there. Oh, come on, that ain't gonna work either. Doo-doo-doot. Alright, I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to stuff it and sew it. We're going to get there. Alrighty. I got the button sewed on. And where is my... I lost the other part to it. I'll be back. I don't got it. I finally found it. Alright, now, if you're using shoestrings, you don't want to take and just go like this and think they're going to stay that way. They won't. So what you want to do, split them up and take them one at a time and go around that one like this, so that they will stay with it. Can't believe I lost it. Why not, Sandy? You can't keep up with your brain. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I know. But this is the way you want to do it. Just twist them around. And all that good stuff. And that's what we did. Now I'm down here at the bottom. And of course, one is longer. What are you doing that for? One is longer than the other. Oh, let's see what's going on here. Maybe I need to make it a little bit tighter down, so that it'll stay. Okay, that'll work. Keep on going. Gotta keep it up now. It'll work. Alright, now. There they are. They are together. So what's happening here? Okay, it's gonna stay. See, it's gonna stay. Now I'm gonna take a knot and knot it.
I don't feel like I'm supposed to worry about stepping.
Alright. Now, I'm going to give this right here a stuff down. Gotta get it in there. I want to make sure I stuff these little bitty things right here in there. And stuff them. What did I do with my board? Oh no. I have lost everything. And now I can't find my board. No. Now these are the board that goes to, no. This one's the board that goes to here. Alright, I'm going to go and sew around this so I can put it together, and then we'll be back if they will let us. I sewed it all the way around, but it's not, well, buddy, it's not wanting to tighten up. See, it's like it don't want to do anything either way. So, I'm going to try to get this to loosen up and go all the way. Oh, come on, don't do that. See if we can't get this to work. And bring it all the way around. So already done it. I don't know why it won't do it, but it won't do it. Like it ain't going to. I can't see the black on that side. Alright. So if I can't do this again. The whole time I'm fighting with this is coming loose up here. My hair's getting stuck in there. What next was gonna happen? I don't know. Alright. So, now. Come on. Get that out here. Get this right there. Alright, I'm going to take this one, bring it here like I did the other one, and I'm going to sew those bad baby down. I don't know how far I'll get with this right here thread. Alright, it looks like I can get right here. See what I can do about putting a knot. Alright, that's as far as that one's going to go. I don't think I can put another knot. Probably won't hurt to try. Nope, it ain't going to do it. That. Maybe this way. Come on, I don't need to have to pull you hard. Alright, that's the end of that one. Alright, let me thread my needle again. No, I gotta have thick thread. I gotta go get it. I'm gonna go ahead and slow it down and then we'll be back. Alright, I finally got it done. And I've got all that in there. And I got my thingy-diddler on there. And now I have this that I've got to put down here. And that's a little bit on the big side. But we're going to glue that bad baby down there. And so let's throw this right here, back in here, amongst all of our junk. Come on, don't do that. I'm having trouble with these this round. I ain't happy with it. I want underneath that. There we go. I'm going to call it quits right there. Even though it is on the wrong damn side. Shit. Oh, God. This is not making me happy at all. There's no way to throw it in there. Trying to get it underneath the board so it won't leave a big old gulp right there. Hold on, I got it. Yes. Finally. Now it's on the right side. I can fill it all full of glue. Woo-wee. Okay, now. This has got a needles buoy on it. I ain't worried about it. I ain't gonna put it on. Buoy. Throw it away. Alright. Now, when the glue gets ready, I'm ready for this one. Alright, now we got sewing machine to do. And ooh, no, it ain't dry yet. Alright, I gotta wait a little bit longer until it gets dry. I don't want to do it while it's wet. So we'll be back when it gets dry.
It don't leak no more.
Alright, I got the brown one on here, and I got
Unless it's leaking somewhere.
button and that button. Now I need to put the needle in and this little pick right here. But other than that, that's turning out pretty good. Alright, now let's see. Let's see if the this one is dry. No, it's not dry. It's dry on the outside, but not on the inside. So I don't know. It's hard to go ahead and do it. Just go ahead and do it to it. Get it over with. Done. So I can have it done. I have to find some green because I want green to be on the bottom, even though this one is black. Probably ought to go ahead and do the black because it's a whole lot thicker. This one right here, it's ready to be glued down right here. So I'm done with that one. And then I got this one. I'm going to go ahead and sew it down and get it done. And I'm going to put this
I have a routine
button and this button on. And it'll be the same way. This one right here go here. And then this one right here go down here. Alright, so here we go with it. So I think we'll be okay with it. And it'll work.
Second time I hit this.
No, I can't believe I did it again.
You did it again.
I did it again.
Same on you.
Yeah.
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 Just don't know about you anymore, Mom. I thought you was better than that.
Nope, I ain't. I forgot to put my marks down here. Right there. So, I'm going to have to put my marks. Oh no, I've got it all over my finger.
Whoa, close. I want it.
So I want to put the mark so that
Oh God! I don't know how
it will
that happened.
show up
Yeah, it happened.
the same way that this one did.
No shit. You bet like
Having
the
to.
office been too late.
Oh boy. Come on now. Let's see if
We
we
got
can get
police
this one
coming,
right.
but they ain't fancy yet of it.
And I only want to sew down to my marks and leave it open. Alright. Now I can sew
I wonder where they parked
these
the fucking
down.
car park.
right like that. I think that right there looks pretty cool. I can't wait to finish it. Put some,
Well, I'm too close yet.
I don't know, put beads around it or lace.
Right there.
Okay, they're running.
I don't know. I'll have to wait and
They're
see. I may try to put some lace and beads around it. Alright, let's see if we can't get started on finishing these up.
Who, Jamie?
No.
Oh, I was going to say,
So,
Jamie?
I'm going to
Yeah.
get this one. We got this right here ready to go. So, I'm going to want to
Was Mom-
kind of
Mom
like
was-
fill
she
all
was
this
letting
right here in. Oh no. I'm already in
you? Oh, no, I
trouble.
know that. I was just.
If I surveyed all the good things come to me from above, if I would count all the blessings from the storehouse above, I simply ask for the favor of Him beyond mortal king, and I'm sure He granted again and again. I want to stroll over heaven with you some glad day when all our troubles and heartaches are vanished away, and we'll enjoy all the beauty where all things are new. I want to stroll over.
I got them done. And I took and stitched right across here to make it look better. And I ought to do this one the same way. But we are done with these. So let me get these out of the way so I don't have them in my way here. Now we got these right here we got to finish. Now, I think what I ought to do is I'm going to move all this stuff out of the way. And I'm going to get my gun back out here. And plug it back up because we're going to need it. There we go. Hopefully I can do it. Now, we got the needles that need to go up in here. But we got to have something to go up in here so that we want to go right in where the seam is. And hopefully it will come out. We're hoping anyway. Ta-da! That looks good. Now let's get the other one right at where the seam is. Split that seam right now. Alright, and I'm going to bring it back down. There we go. See if I can't pull some of this down. And push that back up in there. There we go. There we go. Now we got it going good. Now, See, what else do I want? I want to put the lace on and that little piece up here. So, I'll get me another stick over here. All I got's these colors. Oh no, that's not what I want. I don't have a clear one. Alright, let's see if we can't do it with one of this color. I don't know. I hate it when things don't want to go right. Alright, oh, here's a green. We put a green on a green here. And then we got this one. I think I'd rather use the gold than I would the silver on it. But then we have this one that's got all this other good junk on it. Alright, let's see what we can do about getting these. And I think yellow will look good on the green. So what I'm going to do is just wind me some up on here. It's going to take a while to do. Should have already done it, and then that way don't have to worry about it. Boy, this ain't that easy. Alright. Alright, gotta work on green next. What a mess. What a mess. This is the thing, I'm telling you. I am not too happy with this right here. Alright, there's the string.
Cool.
Let's get it going.
Oh, that was awesome.
There we go. We're going to put it on the green one. Right in the middle there. So we can't tap some underneath it. We're going to have to get rid of this string. Alright. So we can't scoot that back. Get rid of this. And get us some lace out here. And we're going to put lace around it. If we can get it going here. There we go. Now, get this going. Not worried about this side. Now, I really don't want to touch this no more with my fingers. They're already burning enough. Believe you me. Okay. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. There's a mailman out here. Well, I guess he don't want anything. There you go, buddy. You can go on out. because he honked his horn and he started backing up. That tells me he don't want anything. Okay. Fold this over.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna go to Mom's favorite place. I ain't gonna take a shower 'cause I'm gonna take a shower again and shave. I gotta go there and get razors.
Alrighty. I think I want to put, it took all the white. It didn't take none of the other color. I can't get that other color out now, so I'll have to put it around the brown, whether I want it to or not. But however, let's put some beads around the top of this. Alright, now we got that one done. And we got the beads around it. I think that looks good. I just got to go through and get all these strings, glue strings off of it now. Alright, let's see what we can do about this one. And I'm going to throw that away when I get done with it. Alright. Oh,
Hi, buddy.
okay, here it is.
You don't know what you're talking about.
No, I don't. Alright, I'm going to get this one done. And I'm going to make it the same way. But I'm going to use green on this thread. And then we'll be back, see what else we want to do with it. Alright, looks like I have it done. I never did get to use the gold on this. All I had was green. See, it started melting. But I didn't get to use none of it. But I think they turned out pretty good. Okay, what's going on here? No, it cut you. Alright. And now where's my phones? Over here. And I'll give you a picture of them. Two. That way you can see them. Now here's mine. Right here. So, there they are. Oh, wrong button. I think they look cute. So I hope you all enjoyed them. And I don't know what I'm going to do next, or if I'm going to do anything next. I think I'm going to take me a break. How to donate to Poor Man's Sewing. Mash on Poor Man's Sewing. Come up here to the top. Go to About. And right here, donate to Poor Man's Sewing.